coming to these internships on all these jobs, and I guess you were there today in the morning with Unilever as well,
Yeah.
discussing on that regard, academics and in particular grade point average, the GPA. So how does that play a role in student lives right now and in hiring
Okay, so
processes?
I don't want to come on record and say that GPA doesn't matter, right? So
Mhm.
that's,
That's
but
my job. I would say that on camera that GPA does not
but you know
matter.
what? I will have to admit that certain sectors they does. The
Hmm.
financial industry, yes, they require you to put the GPA right on the resume, right?
Hmm.
So you want to go into investment banking, you want to go into treasury, you want to go into mainstream auditing, you want to even go into a lot of consultancies, by the
Hmm.
way. They do require a GPA, right? So you can't hide away from them. But then
Hmm.
those students who want to pursue that profession have that clarity. So you can't be an underscorer and not performing really well academically and then go in a high pressured finance job. That's not going to click with what, right? But that same student who may not have been academically strong may be very good in a PR organization or in a creative agency or in a marketing agency, or may do really well in supply chain and logistics because he just got that mind to, make sure that things get the right place, the right time. So I think वो clarity जिनको उस तरह के professions चाहिए, they zoom into that
Hmm.
and they make sure that they have that consistency in academics. So I'm not going to say that. So there's no response saying कि GPA नहीं चाहिए या GPA चाहिए. It is the clarity of where you see yourself and what you want. And if that industry requires that academic guarantee and it has to be above 3.5, then you need to be working for that.
Yeah, like right now, what I believe right now, I met a student who had more than 3.5, and I'm a student of computer science, and he was a computer student at ACF, and I asked him this question regarding basic finance.
Yeah.
So I used to trade in stocks for a while. So, and I taught myself. So I asked him this question regarding the market value added and economic value added. And then he told me कि he tried this formula out and he showed me कि ये formula से होता है. And then I told him, is it positive or is it negative? And he said, I don't know. And I said it would be negative if the market price of the stock has gone down, and if it's
Yeah.
gone up, it's positive. I don't know, okay, why are you thinking on this regard?
Yeah.
I might not know the exact formulas that you have applied, but I know at least that something that has gone negative or positive. Similarly, one of our guests did come out and asked one of our members as well regarding depreciation, and then he asked him account, is it expense or what? So, and then he
वैसे
couldn't
वो
answer
that's a
that.
very standard question.
Hmm.
जो recruitment processes में पूछा. देखो, that's what I'm saying, that the process is that once you impress somebody with your resume and the way you've articulated your achievements, the person is curious to meet you.
Hmm.
ठीक है, तो जो आपके academic requirements थे वो आपने fulfill कर दिए. अगर आप academically उनके standard या उनकी requirements तक नहीं पहुँचे, so you're not going to be called for the interview, right? So say for example you have like a low GPA और आपने गायब कर दिया resume से,
Hmm.
and that organization requires a GPA, you're not going to be called for the interview, right? But if you've written a GPA which is like 3.2 and you have been called, then that's a tick, that's done. And they're not going to sit and question you कि आप बताइए कि आपका GPA क्यों low है, right? There is a reason why they've called you, because you have met the initial criteria. And now it's about giving that believability and credibility that, I've worked on X, Y, and Z in my resume, which is what impressed you. And here's the personality that's backing it. So a resume is a foot in the door. And once you clear the basic criteria, then it's about showcasing that how that criteria is a value addition for the organization.